Today we will discuss about include in-stream ads in your videos. First, please subscribe my channel, like and share video. A well-placed in-stream ad can have a positive impact on your payouts. We recommend using automatic placements, but you can also choose your own placements. Automatic vs manual in-stream ad placements. A well-placed ad can have a positive impact on your payouts. There are two options for including ads in your videos. You can choose your own placements, or select automatic placements to have ads included in natural breaks in your content and maximize earnings. Automatic placements. Facebook automatically detects ideal placements for ads by looking for natural breaks in the content. This is meant to give viewers the best possible experience and works best when videos have natural 1 to 2 second pauses. It also helps you save time and improve payouts. You can choose automatic placements at the page or video level and enable it on your backlog of eligible videos in Creator Studio or page settings. This will automatically include ads in eligible videos uploaded in the past 30 days. Manual placements. Decide exactly where to include an ad. If you choose multiple placements, viewers will see ads in different places, depending on when they last watched an ad. Be deliberate about where you place ads. Try to include them where they won't interrupt you mid-speech, mid-sentence or mid-scene. This can create a poor experience for your audience. If you choose to use manual placements, we recommend that you allow Facebook to adjust your in-stream ad point. Facebook will move it up/down 10 seconds to provide the best viewer experience. To do this, tick the box next to automatically adjust in-stream ad placements to improve your viewers' experience. Optimize your videos for in-stream ads. To optimize your videos for in-stream ads, make sure that you are creating content that captivates your viewers and makes them want to watch more. Videos need to be 3 minutes or longer and should contain natural breaks or a cliffhanger at the 1 minute and 5 or 6 minute mark.